the Great Cake Contest. Oh, he's wondering, what is he gonna bake for the contest? We're gonna have to read the book to find out. Wow, look at all those cakes. There's chocolate cake and vanilla cake and double-decker cakes and pancakes. Whew, I really want some cake. Lucky loves cake. He is so happy that the Great Cake Contest is in town. What cake can I bake? He thinks. He's looking through a book to see what kind of cake he can bake. I know, I can make a pancake, shouts Lucky. He walks to Poncho's house to share his idea, but she already beat him to it. She made a big stack of pancakes with a cherry on top. Or what if I made a carrot cake, he wonders. He goes to tell Nini his plan, but she had the same idea. She made a big cake in the shape of a carrot. Wow, that looks so scrumptious. What about baking a black forest cake? He rushes to tell Kimma what he's come up with, but he's too late. She baked a black forest cake already. Now what kind of cake is he gonna bake? On the way to Thobby's house, he thinks, let me just make a Christmas cake. But Thobby already made that happen. Oh man, her cake was in the shape of a Christmas tree. It looks perfect. Now what will he do? What other cake can I bake, he asks himself. How about a chocolate mousse cake? He arrives at Linda's house, but oh no, he was too slow. She made a perfect mousse cake too. Lucky gets an idea. I will make a roly-poly cake. He gets to Zola's house, but she's way ahead of him. She made 3 donut cakes in the shape of roly-polies. Wow. Lucky feels sad when he gets home because he is out of ideas. He asks his family to help him think about what great cake he can bake. He's still wondering because all of his friends already took all of his ideas. Mama, Papa, and his big sister Musa all put their heads together to help him enter the Great Cake Contest. I wonder what kind of cake they came up with. We have to wait and see. Whoa, the cake is so big, so wide, so tall that it begins to wobble, 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 and fall on top of everybody's heads. Oh no! Everyone at the Great Cake Contest is covered in cake. Where are the judges? Where are the contestants? Where is Lucky? All we see is cake. The judges munch and chomp their way out, and everyone agrees Lucky is the winner of the Great Cake Contest. Wow, look at that trophy. So great. The